Hi, my name is Mason. Today we're going to be learning how to drive a golf cart. Let's go.
Before driving, get to know the cart you will be operating. Locate the lights and the ignition. How to apply the parking brake, use the accelerator and the steering wheel. Underneath the forward and reverse switch is the charging port, and on this cart there is a bed in the back to transport equipment. Before driving a cart, drivers need to understand the rules of the road and follow them. Read all safety and warning labels as often as needed to understand the information. For safety precautions, there should only be 2 occupants per seat. This cart model can only seat 2.
Hey, come in, Ricardo, there's plenty of room.
Hey, only 2 people are allowed at the cart at once.
Only 2. Only 2. Are you sure it's only 2? Only 2?
Driving the cart. First, put the key in the ignition and turn to the on position, and flip the switch into forward. Take the parking brake off by lightly tapping on the accelerator. Press down on the accelerator to move forward. To go in reverse, put the switch into reverse. You will hear a beeping noise. Always check your surroundings and mirrors if available. Once cleared, then proceed. To apply the parking brake, press down on the top left corner of the brake pad, turn the switch into neutral, and turn the ignition key to off. Designated parking areas. Here are a few tips when parking. Do not block entrances and fire lanes. Avoid high traffic vehicle and pedestrian areas, as well as parking on hills for safety precaution. This campus map highlights some designated parking areas on campus. Driving tips and precautions. Approaching tight spaces. Depth perception is important in judging distance while operating your cart. Use references to help you judge distances, such as other vehicles, signs, and other familiar objects. If you are unsure, always give yourself more room than you really think you need and slow down. When approaching a tight space, slow down, check your surroundings, cut the wheel all the way to the desired direction, and push the accelerator very slowly. When approaching pedestrians, always stop and yield to the pedestrians. Pedestrians always have the right of way, especially at crosswalks. Do not use devices like phones while driving. Any distractions from driving can cause accidents. During the summer and low traffic hours, cars can be driven on the sidewalk. When encountering pedestrians, slow down, stop, or go around. If you are unable to go around, try not to tailgate pedestrians on the sidewalk, as it can cause awkward encounters. Speeding and sharp turns. Rollovers and passenger ejection are both commonly related to excessive speeds and sharp turning.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Other causes of accidents include weather, slick surfaces, loose gravel, dirt, and mud. Drivers' mistakes is also another leading cause of accidents. Check tires often. It is important that tires are properly inflated. An underinflated tire can easily initiate a cart rollover. A tire that is observed to have a slow leak and occasionally requires inflating must be professionally repaired or replaced. You do not want to take the chance of a panic stop or sudden sharp turn with an underinflated tire. In case of a life-threatening emergency, call 911. For all other incidents, contact the Department of Public Safety and your immediate supervisor. Now, let's review what you have learned about cart safety.
Number 1. When driving a golf cart, you should A. Follow the rules of the road. B. Perform routine inspection of cart before use. C. Yield to pedestrians. D. All of the above. D. all of the above. When is it appropriate to drive on the sidewalk? A. Always. B. During times with low pedestrian traffic. C. Never. D. During times with high pedestrian traffic. B. During times with low pedestrian traffic. What do you do when you encounter pedestrians? A. Keep driving. B. Honk or yell at them to get out of the way. C. Slow down, stop, maneuver out of the way, and if possible, go around. D. Drive faster to try to avoid them. C. Slow down, stop, maneuver out of the way, and if possible, go around. Number 4. When approaching a tight space, you should A. Speed up, B. Slow down, assess your space, and check your blind spots. C. Avoid completely. D. Both B or C. D. Both B or C. Number 5. Who do you contact in case of an accident? A. Your supervisor. B. Your friend. C. Alamo College's DPS. D. Both A and C. D. Both A and C. 6. Where should you park a cart on campus? A. In the middle of the sidewalk. B. In handicap parking. C. Away from fire lanes and heavy traffic areas. D. All of the above. C. Away from fire lanes and heavy traffic areas. 7. What is the maximum number of passengers allowed per seat? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. B. 2. 8. When driving in reverse, you should do the following. A. Check your surroundings. B. Back up slowly. C. Keep looking forward. D. Both A and B. D. Both A and B. 9. When may a golf cart experience handling instability? A. Braking on wet surfaces, loose soil, or gravel. B. Driving too fast. C. When making evasive maneuvers. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Number 10. Most golf cart accidents are caused by A. Weather. B. Improperly maintained cart. C. Driver mistakes. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. 11. Passengers are at an increased risk of injection from a golf cart when A. Driving slow and cautious. B. Driving too quickly and taking sharp turns. C. Coming to a stop. D. Reversing. B. Driving too quickly and taking sharp turns. 12. Warning labels on the golf cart should be read A. After an accident has occurred. B. Once a month. C. As many times as it takes to understand the information. D. Both A and B. C. As many times as it takes to understand the information.
Congratulations! You are now certified in cart safety.